Ever wondered how your favorite pineapple gets from the farm to your table? The journey begins in tropical climates where pineapples thrive. Countries like Thailand, the Philippines, Costa Rica, and Hawaii are major producers of this delicious fruit. These places offer the ideal conditions for pineapple growth, a warm climate, and well-drained soil. This is where our sweet and tangy pineapples start their journey. So now, you have a sense of where these juicy fruits come from. But how do they get to you? Let's find out. And from a tiny seedling to a fully grown pineapple, there's quite a journey. Let's embark on this fascinating voyage to understand the stages of pineapple farming. Our journey begins with the planting of the crown of a mature fruit. Yes, you heard it right. The pineapple's life cycle starts not with a seed, but with the crown of a fully grown pineapple. This crown, when planted under suitable conditions, sprouts roots and begins to grow into a new plant. The growth period of this tropical marvel is a test of patience, lasting approximately 12 to 18 months. During this time, the pineapple plant slowly transforms from a small sprout to a large bushy plant with long, sword-like leaves. The plant uses this time to absorb nutrients from the soil and convert sunlight into energy through photosynthesis, preparing itself for the next stage. As we move forward in this journey, we reach the flowering stage. This is when the magic happens. The plant produces a single spectacular flower spike in the center, which will eventually become the pineapple fruit. Each flower on the spike corresponds to a single fruitlet on the mature pineapple. Then comes the fruiting stage, the grand finale of the pineapple's growth saga. As the flowers fade, the individual fruitlets start to swell and merge, forming a single large fruit, the pineapple. It's an awe-inspiring sight to behold, one that reminds us of the wonders of nature. But here's a fact that might surprise you. Each pineapple plant only produces one pineapple. That's right, just one. Considering the time and resources that go into growing each plant, it's a testament to the value and respect farmers have for this tropical delight. And there you have it, the journey of a pineapple from a crown to a ripe, ready-to-eat fruit. That's right, one plant for one pineapple. But how does it get to be so sweet and juicy? Stay tuned. Once harvested, the pineapple's journey isn't over yet. It's time for an in-depth look at what happens after our pineapples are harvested. The first step in the processing stage is cleaning. The pineapples are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or debris from the field. An essential step to ensure that only the best quality pineapples make it to the next stage. Once cleaned, the pineapples move on to the peeling process. Here, the outer skin is expertly removed, exposing the juicy, sweet flesh of the pineapple beneath. This process is done with precision, ensuring that the most amount of fruit is preserved while removing the tough, inedible outer layer. Next up is coring and slicing. The pineapples are cored to remove the tough, fibrous center, leaving behind only the tender, edible fruit. Then they're sliced into the familiar rings or chunks we're used to seeing in our fruit salads and on our pizzas. But the journey doesn't end there. Each piece of pineapple must undergo a quality check. Here, any pieces that don't meet the stringent standards are removed, ensuring that only the best fruit makes it to the next stage. This meticulous process ensures that when you bite into a piece of processed pineapple, it's guaranteed to be delicious. Once the pineapples have passed the quality check, they're ready for packaging. Depending on their final destination, they might be canned in juice or syrup, frozen for later use, or packed fresh into containers. Each packaging method is designed to keep the pineapple as fresh as possible, preserving its natural sweetness and flavor. Finally, the processed pineapples are ready for shipping. They're loaded onto trucks, ships, or planes and transported to various parts of the world. From tropical farms in countries like Costa Rica and the Philippines, these pineapples make their way to supermarkets and kitchens all over the globe. So there you have it, from a tropical farm to your local supermarket. That's the journey of a pineapple. So, let's recap what we've learned about the journey of a pineapple. Born in tropical climates, these sun-loving fruits embark on an incredible journey. They grow on farms under the tender care of farmers, then make their way to factories where they're processed, packaged, and prepared for shipping. It's a meticulously orchestrated process, ensuring each pineapple reaches its destination fresh and delicious. The next time you enjoy a juicy slice of pineapple, remember the journey it took to get to your table. Thank you for joining us on this fruity adventure.